What's really going on with facial aging? And it's actually a process that starts in your early to mid 30s where we lose facial fat, we lose muscle tone, and we actually also lose bone mass in the face. And all of that contributes to the loss of volume and the descent in the face. Patients say, oh, I'm heading south. So everything we're trying to do is reverse that. And we can start doing that early on, and we're gonna offset those components of facial volume loss. And that process is never gonna stop because you continue to age and change over time, so you're never done. So people will ask, oh, well, how long is this gonna last? And I'm like, it doesn't really matter because you're never done because you're gonna continue to age. So ideally we correct the facial volume change and put you into maintenance to keep you looking good. So we get you looking good and keep you looking good for a long, long time.